The questions which arose for consideration in the instant appeals were whether persons appointed as superintendents in aided non-governmental hostels are entitled to claim absorption by way of regularization in government service or salary on par with superintendents in government hostels, and whether part-time cooks and chowkidars appointed temporarily by mess committees of government hostels with 2 or 3 years service are entitled to regularization by framing a special scheme. Stop. Allowing the appeals, the court held that the High Courts, in exercising power under Article 226 of the Constitution, will not issue directions for regularization, absorption, or permanent continuance unless the employees claiming regularization had been appointed in pursuance of a regular recruitment in accordance with relevant rules in an open competitive process against sanctioned vacant posts. Stop. The equality clause contained in Articles 14 and 16 should be scrupulously followed, and courts should not issue a direction for regularization of services of an employee which would be violative of constitutional scheme. Stop. While something that is irregular for want of compliance with one of the elements in the process of selection which does not go to the root of the process can be regularized, the back door entries and appointments contrary to the constitutional scheme and or appointment of ineligible candidates cannot be regularized. Stop. Mere continuation of service by a temporary or ad hoc or daily wage employee under cover of some interim orders of the court would not confer upon him any right to be absorbed into service, as such service would be litigious employment. Stop. Even temporary, ad hoc, or daily wages service for a long number of years, let alone service for 1 or 2 years, will not entitle such employee to claim regularization if he is not working against a sanctioned post. Stop. Sympathy and sentiment cannot be grounds for passing any order of regularization in the absence of a legal right. Stop. Even where a scheme is formulated for regularization with a cut-off date, that is a scheme providing that persons who had put in a specified number of years of service and continuing in employment as on the cut-off date, it is not possible to other who were appointed subsequent to the cut-off date to claim or contend that the scheme should be applied to them by extending the cut-off date or seek a direction for framing of fresh schemes providing for successive Cut off dates stop.